Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any new website, if you are launching any files uploading process, I'm launching one website is there, rakeshtutorialspoint.com. Right now, I don't have any website content. How we can uploading using Plesk panel option. So any content uploading your control panel or the C panel or the Plesk panel, what are the options you have using GIF format? First of all, we can use will be particular GIF format is mandatory field. After GIF format, simple, go to your Plesk panel option. The option name is called files. In files, we can use this option will be here. The particular files. These are the particular files will be here. So I'm using files option. Previous I'm using another file option. Now it is. So right now I don't have any files are here. This will be index file that you can show will be like this. But what will happen in select this option and remove it. After that, refresh. They will show option name is called 403 forbidden error. So what is mean by 403 forbidden error? This mean by your domain is active, hosting is active, website has a no content, zero files. That mean by the showing error nothing but 403 forbidden error. Now it is called plus option upload files. In upload files, you can go to download and zip it. Any file uploading in your format, the option name is called GIF format is the first priority. Any file uploading, GIF format is the first priority. Here it is called right click, more option. Here it is everything is there. Or else click here. What the option name is called? Extract file. Here right click is not working. In a C panel, we have click for right click option is there. But here is the everything will be right side option, extract file and click this. Then in a fraction of seconds, file all will be uploaded will be here is the option. Previous, what is the error will be? 403 forbidden error. Now we can refresh. They show your website will be live. Then in a fraction of seconds, your website everything will be live. If you go for C panel or control panel, which is the you are use it, that always use will be GIF format to upload the file or download the file option. So anyone we have to upload the file always will be GIF format to this particular Plesk panel option. So if you want anyone to the upload files and Plesk panel any issues, please contact our channel and definitely will be supported. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.